Today, we're going to show you how to unlock the full potential of Chat GPT to create epic recipe ideas through conversation. Chat GPT is an advanced language model that can understand and generate human-like text. Now, let's dive into the magical world of culinary creativity with Chat GPT. Imagine you're brainstorming for a delicious dinner. You can simply type or speak your ideas into the chat interface, and Chat GPT will respond with an amazing array of recipe suggestions. I have chicken, zucchini, and bell peppers. What can I make? Chat GPT. How about a mouth-watering stir-fry? Slice the chicken and the vegetables, then sauté them in a hot pan with some soy sauce and garlic. Serve it over steamed rice for a perfect meal. Wow, thanks, Chat GPT. That sounds super tasty. But wait, Chat GPT is not just a one-way street. You can have a real conversation with it, just like chatting with a friend. I want to make a quick dessert. What's your suggestion? Chat GPT. How about a scrumptious berry parfait? Layer fresh berries, Greek yogurt, and granola in a glass for a delightful treat. You can even drizzle some honey on top if you'd like. Mind-blowing, isn't it? Chat GPT can help you unleash your creativity and spice up your kitchen adventures. So, next time you're feeling uninspired or in need of a culinary breakthrough, remember the power of Chat GPT. It's like having your own personal chef at your fingertips. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!